Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Robert Desmond. It is Sunday, September the 11th, 2011. Folks, you have to acknowledge the anniversary, 10-year anniversary of September 11th, and my prayers are with all my fellow Americans and to those folks who were affected by the tragedy of 10 years ago. So God bless you, and God bless America. All right, let's get to our focus stock, and our focus stock this evening is going to be USA Truck, symbol USAK. It is a NASDAQ traded stock. Now, I ran a screen over the weekend, and I have to be honest with you, my bread and butter is picking up extreme overbought stocks to short and extreme oversold stocks to get long of. And there wasn't much to pick from. There was one stock, USA Trucks, which did hit the screen, but I have to say this is going to be probably a fairly short-term trade. And I'll give you the reasons why in a few moments. But let's take a look at why USA Trucks is a good short-term trade. First off, you had USA Trucks come down, it put in a couple of bottoming tails here at the $7.37 level. That was in late August. Now, you had to know that this was going to fail due to the fact that you had a massive, massive sell-off here. An attempted rally, stiff resistance at the $8 per share level. Anywhere near that, you knew the rally was going to fail. Subsequently, even after it had an RSI of, say, let's say 17, probably in this area, it broke back down. And you'll find that 3/4 of all stocks that enter what I call the contrarian extreme oversold condition do have a short covering rally and then break down and break below the lows previously found. And the problem with USA Trucks is that they have a very, very small short interest. There aren't a huge amount of shorts in here to propel this higher. So it's my expectation that if and when we do get involved to the long side, that we won't be in here long. And if we do get up to this $8 per share level, more than likely we're going to get short. And the reason why I say that is because in the contrarian commentary the week ahead, which has already been sent out to my members, I go more in depth on USAK as to when we want to get truly long of USAK as an investment. But to do that, you need to pull out to not just weekly charts, you need to go out to monthly charts for reasonable, extremely reasonable entry points to get long of this stock for a longer term basis. As of right now, we may get involved with it, and I'll send out alerts to members that we're now long of USAK as a trade, a scalp trade, but we're going to look to take those profits quickly. There's approximately a day and a half worth, if that, a day and a half worth of short covering in this stock. So we don't want to stay in the stock for long, too long. What we want to do is we want to ride the trade higher, then begin to add to shorts at, say, the $8 per share level if we can get there. And then write it back down to the price target that I issued to members in this evening's commentary. Now, if you want to watch that commentary, just go to the website. Join the 14-day, using the 14-day free trial offer. I'll send you out a copy of the week ahead commentary. You'll see what the support level is that we're looking to get involved with to the long side for a long-term trade. But as of right now, we're looking to long USAK short term for a scalp trade, then get short for a slightly longer term trade, and then we want to get long again, but at a greater discount to where we sit right now, and where the risk to reward is more in our favor. So again, please join us. Use the 14-day free trial offer. If you don't like it, cancel. Before I cut out on this one, this is a 30-minute chart on usak, and this is why I believe that we may see a higher high on Monday morning. Now, you can see that this is a 30-minute chart. And the 30-minute chart, I draw two bands. One is the primary resistance level, which is here. Then you have your secondary resistance level, which is about $7.35. Now, I wouldn't mind picking up some usak based on the assumption that we make a new higher high on Monday. I might even add to it if we break out on a breakout higher beyond resistance level number 2 here. The key is, will the conditions be right for us to make this trade? That means, is the stock market going to hold in there, or is it going to work against us? Remember, the transports are out of favor. What's going to come out of Europe this evening? All that can change by tomorrow morning. So by no means am I condoning an outright purchase on Monday morning of usak. If you're a member, you're going to get an alert, so you're going to know. And if you're not a member, if I do execute the trade, I will post the results of the trade on either my blog or in the recent trades tab on the website. So stay tuned. If you have any questions with regard to this trade, I don't want anybody getting hurt. So please, member, non-member, just shoot me an email with your thoughts or questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay? Shoot me the email at robert@thecontrariantrader.com. Again, please subscribe for the 14-day free trial offer. If you don't like it, cancel. But this is going to be the stock we're going to watch as a short-term trade as we proceed into the new week. Everybody have a great remainder of their Sunday evening, and I will talk to members throughout the week. Take care now. Bye-bye.